This is for all WhatsApp users. If you don't know how to use the WhatsApp Meta AI, this video is going to walk you through step by step on how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. So this is one of the most interesting things you can use right now on WhatsApp. You can use it to generate images, to write an articles, you can use it to search the web. Just mention anything you have in mind. The WhatsApp Meta AI is right there for you. Now see what I asked the WhatsApp Meta AI. You are an SEO expert with 20 years of experience. I've worked for the top 100 websites in the world. Write a 150 word count that can easily rank on Google on winning a scholarship to study abroad with relevant images and infographic to back up your point. So this is the question I asked the WhatsApp Meta AI, and this is the response. So it analyzes everything you need to win a scholarship and how you can win a scholarship, your preparation, scholarship opportunities, and different things. So in this video, I'm going to show you or analyze how you can easily start using the Meta AI on your WhatsApp account. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the Meta AI integrated into your WhatsApp account already. If you're using the outdated version of WhatsApp, the first thing to do now is go to the Play Store or App Store on your iPhone. While there, then search for WhatsApp and make sure you update the WhatsApp to the latest version or installed it. You can see I have the WhatsApp Messenger and there's another available for me. You need to make sure you update this particular WhatsApp version on your phone. Otherwise, the WhatsApp Meta AI will not be available on your chats. Also, if the WhatsApp Meta AI is not available in your country, you'll not be able to use the WhatsApp Meta AI at right now on your account. But if it's available in your country, then go ahead, download the WhatsApp Meta AI, install it on your iPhone, and follow the steps I'm about to share with you in this video to start using the new WhatsApp Messenger Meta AI. Mark you, with this, you can start a private chat with the WhatsApp Messenger Meta AI or call the action of the WhatsApp Meta AI while you are in a different chat for the Meta AI to interact. This is quick and easy, and this is one of the best innovations so far for now as far as AI is concerned on social media platforms. Now, once you've updated the WhatsApp to the latest version or downloaded the new WhatsApp version, click on the open button to open it. Now, the first you're going to notice is the search button here integrated with a different logo, and this logo is the WhatsApp Meta AI logo. And once you click on the search button here, you can still search for other people on WhatsApp, search for contacts, images, or messages you want to read and unread. However, you see what people are currently searching for using the Meta AI across all the platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Now, to start using the Meta AI, tap on the profile icon, and this will open the interactive page for you. So once you click on that, ask any question or choose any of these questions here. This is what you're going to see first. It's going to be like a welcome message, especially if you're just using this for the first time. Now, you can go down and ask Meta AI any question you do not know about. Right now, there's no command to use to ask a question when you are chatting with the Meta AI, but there's a command to use to call the action of the Meta AI when you want to use it in the private chat with someone else on your WhatsApp contact. Now you can go ahead now and search how to use WhatsApp Meta AI. If you hit that, you'll be surprised that the Meta AI itself will explain to you how to use him. You can see, make sure you have the latest version of the WhatsApp. Type this followed by your question or request. Send message. Meta AI will respond with helpful information. So you say the command, and example of requests you can make on Meta AI on WhatsApp include definition, calculation, conversion. Just make any request, even in general knowledge. The WhatsApp Meta AI is ready to answer it. Then let's go ahead now and say you just choose to type this command and then type Meta followed by this. Do not forget we have to this. You see this? This is imagine. Then type love it up. And then hit the send button. There you go. So you see, this just call the attention of the Meta AI here, and how to use the Meta AI outside the Meta AI chat. Let's say you have a chat here that you want to interact with the Meta AI. This is what you need to do. And tap at Meta AI. You see, I started initiating this chat, at Meta AI. And once you type the at, Meta AI will pop up itself. For those that have upgraded the WhatsApp version to the latest WhatsApp, otherwise, if you go ahead to any chat that fails to update their WhatsApp to the latest version, you'll not be able to use at Meta AI to call their attention and start using the Meta AI interacting with them. So once that is certified, just choose the Meta AI like this, then go ahead and ask any question. With this, the Meta AI will be able to respond to your query and give you a perfect answer on WhatsApp. So I want to ask the Meta AI on WhatsApp, what are the benefits of Meta AI? Then let's see. You see, these are the benefits of using the Meta AI either on WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram. Wherever you want to use it, this is some of the benefits. You can also use the Meta AI to generate image. So let's say, then tap whatever you want. So Ferrari. So let's try and Ferrari images. Add images to it to see if we have different images on Ferrari. So Ferrari images. Just hang on for the Meta AI to see if it can generate a unique image on Ferrari for us. There you go. Amazing. Isn't this an image of Ferrari? This is it. So this is generated by the Meta AI. So this is an amazing feature on WhatsApp that can be used to ask any questions and get instant answer from the AI. Another thing you want to know is write a love story about the poor. Write a love story about the poor and the riches. About the poor and the riches. So you can use this AI generated tool for any purpose. So I'm just going to go back and tag Meta AI. So that tag it, then click on the send button. Once you hit the send button, just hang on. You see, this is the Meta AI in action. It's going to write a complete love story for you using AI generated text. You see that? So if you give this command an interval, let's say 1,000 or 5,000 AI generated article, the Meta AI on WhatsApp will do just that. So you can use the Meta AI for anything on your WhatsApp. This feature on WhatsApp makes it easier for you to stay within the WhatsApp application and start using it for as long as you want. As a travel recording this video, the Meta AI on WhatsApp is completely free. So guys, if you found this really interesting on how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp, want to smash the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.